Right, everybody, Moto Guzzi time. I've been doing quite a bit of work on this bike. I'm starting to fit the pipes at the back. I've worked through some of the engine components, gearbox especially, the spacing, that's been resolved. Needed a gasket, done that. Had a look at it yesterday evening quickly, cranked it through a bit. I'm starting to test out the wiring, but I'll be starting to work my way around the handlebars, switch on the right hand side, move over to the left, putting in a new ignition, putting in new brake reservoirs, putting in new throttle tube, completely new switch gear. There are some some mirrors there, and that requires a 16mm hole, not 16, 14.5 for the fastener on this side. What else is there on the Guzzi? Paint job is finished, happy with the paint job. I think it's just a question of getting it buttoned up now, get all the wiring sorted. It's very important, and as I said previously, I'm not cutting anything on this bike. You can take it back to original if you want to, but I'll be posting some pictures on the video as I progress. I think it's going to be about another week or two. We should really see some progress there. I need to fabricate the exhaust system where it joins from the front to the back onto the silencer. That'll get done, and then it's the big issue. The previous owner did a very well job, very nice, put all the wiring in a proper wiring loom, neat and black. Some of the colors I don't see, I can't see, and actually just trying to puzzle everything together. He marked it very nicely. I'm still not too sure what all the abbreviations are, but 99% is functional, everything works. It needs a new set of tires, but I'll do that whenever it's buttoned up and it's sorted out. So what I'm going to be doing today is actually take the new switch gear, take the old switch gear, which is, can't really see, but it's bad. It shows its age. It's functional. Some of it work, and some of it there's a plan behind getting it to work. But I don't want that. I want to get on the bike, have at least brand new switch gear, brand new safety items like brake reservoirs and stuff. The old brake reservoir is on this side. It's an old Brembo set. It works-ish, sort of. And I'm doing a small few things, modernizing it up a bit. For me, it's very important to actually have the safety features working as they should. So, coming back to the switchgear, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the switchgear colors on that side and have a look at the original wiring. What is your horn coloring? What is your turn signal left and right? What are those colors on the wires? And then I'll be plotting down two sides, old and new, and see what I have, where I'm going to, and then very slowly work it through. I think I still have some shrinking wrap, but on the other board at the bottom I still have my list on there. I haven't wiped it off. I'm still working through everything. It's been a year project, more or less, roundabout. So next few days, have a look at the channel, see where we're progressing with this. As I said, it's a lot of work, and the end result is going to be really, really nice. It's something completely unique. I've cut no corners. Spent the money where I should, and it'll be like a very, very reliable bike. Not a lot of people know the history on the old Guzzi and the 20 frame. I still need to do a section about that. But yeah, super reliable bikes. Laid back. I chose it to be a cafe racer. Didn't like the original style of it. But yeah, stick around, have a look, and We'll also be getting a little fairing. Jaco will do some trimming for me on this. It's a bit too high. Thank you very much, War Eagle, for supplying the fairing. That will be around about here, just a little bit shorter. Yeah, everything will come together and flow when I'm done with it. Cool, I think for today that will wrap up the video of the Guzzi, and I'll do a bit more on that. I still need to change the shock on Captain Slow, the Africa Twin. Frank the Tank on the outside gave me a bit of hassles with the fueling, and I'll do a next segment video after this one, just talking a bit about fuel injection and pressures and piping and age of piping. But yeah, I think for now on the Guzzi that's it. And guys, if you feel like subscribing, if you want something different on the content, if you want more, let me know. I'm very busy on a few things on these. It takes up a lot of time. But yeah, 2022 I'm going to be doing a lot more riding out, so watch out for videos, mostly touring Africa as much as we can. Realistically, we're all on a budget, and as you remember, January is 365 days long about. Okay, until later, chat, bye bye.